Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex, trading from the beaches of Mexico, bringing you my latest color-coded MT4 trading system that I called Neon Breakout. This trading system specializes in multiple entries and trading retracements, and in the PDF that you'll receive you'll have videos and screenshots teaching you how to trade the retracements. In the bottom window is my volatility window, and it is a special MACD indicator that shows you trend and volatility. When the yellow line crosses a red zero line, that's your exit for all trades. It can also be your entry for trades. So this is a really easy trading system for either beginners or veteran traders, and I think that you'll enjoy it very much. So please watch some more videos on my website, and I hope that you go ahead and pick this up to add to your trading arsenal. Thanks so much for watching.